Pranam Devariya. I think it's important for us to recognize that the mindset that my Honorable Member of Parliament Kartiji is expressing is one of colonialism. Manmohan Singh may well be from Cambridge, Montek Singh may well be from Cambridge, but there are hundreds of IITians who are from small towns and districts. There are hundreds of people from OBC, from Dalit, who are absolutely ready and able and actually going to take this country forward. It's about time we got off our high horse to say that this kind of talent or this kind of energy is only existing in this drawing room for a minute. I think you have to explore that middle India where talent is resurging to come up. And this is the very big change that Prime Minister Modi has brought in. उन्होंने ये देखा है कि वहाँ की ऊर्जा जहाँ से वो खुद ही उठते हैं, वहाँ की ऊर्जा केपेबल है, तो लैटरल एंट्री कहीं से भी आ सकती है. मैं ऐसा नहीं कहता हूँ कि आप कैम्ब्रिज और हार्वर्ड से मत लाओ. मैं भी IMD पढ़ा हूँ, वहाँ भी कुछ क्षमता है. बट हाउ डू वी मेक श्योर दैट द ऑर्डिनरी इंडियन फील्स केपेबल एंड इनेबल टू गेट अप टू द पॉइंट वेयर ही इज ऑल्सो सीन एज केपेबल. नाउ एज फार एज backpedaling is concerned, we are in majority. We were always formed as an NDA, as a coalition, and therefore there is no question of us being under threat by anyone. We are absolutely confident of what we are doing. Yes, there has to be healthy debate in the parliament, which is happening, and I think it will happen more only if some of the kind of smaller things that is being happening is less. I think we have a golden opportunity, and I want to just end my statement by Viksit Bharat. We are at the cusp of a change. हम लोग एक 25-30 साल के 22-20 साल के एक अभियान पे हैं जहां पर एक बहुत अच्छा मौका है और 10 साल में हम लोगों ने एक नींव डाली है. अब हम लोग अरावली के शिखर पे पहुंचे, कंचनजंगा हमें पार करना है. इसलिए मैं समझता हूं इसमें कोई दुविधा नहीं.